Do you want to recover your picture, video, and post from Instagram? No worries. Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how you can recover your Instagram picture, video, and post with just one click using your iPhone or Android. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen and tap on your activity. Here, you can see the recently deleted option. Tap on it. Now, you can see all your deleted pictures, videos, and posts. Now, tap on a particular one. Then, tap on the three dots, and you will get the restore option. Tap on it, and your content will be restored. So, this is how you can recover files on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.